Idol, okay ba yung Black Superman push-up? Yun yata yung inaano mo yung sarili mo, meron pa nga Mike Tyson push-up. Actually, try mo. Kasi kanya-kanya tayong katawan, kaya lagi ko sinasabi, tama kayo, mali ako, I'm not your doctor, do what works for you. Kasi minsan, baka sumasakit shoulders, di mo pwedeng gawin yung workout na yun. O baka pwede, di ba? So, yun lang naman. Kung kaya mo siya, okay siya. Kung gagawin mo siya, yun naman yung mahalaga, yung pasok siya sa'yo, gagawin mo siya, kaya mo siyang gawin, proper form, proper technique. Tapos meron naman nagtanong, ba isang tanong na yun, mga pampaganda na lats. Lat pull down or pull up, and then row, cable row or barbell row. Tsaka, ang ginagawa ko RDLs. Yun, kesa deadlift. Pero, tandaan nyo, tama kayo, mali ako, not your doctor, do what works for you. And then, as much as possible, consistency lamang, proper form, proper breathing, workout at least 15 to 30 minutes a day, and then walking, at least 5,000 steps a day, and then proper sleep and eating.